So let's look at the first example here. Now I've shown you a triangle here, which is I've chosen deliberately chosen a right angle triangle, and so now you can see your height, and you can see in a right angle triangle, right, this side actually makes an angle of 90 degrees with the base. So this is straightforward in this particular case. Let's put some values there, and you have 3 centimeters for the height, and you have 4 centimeters for the base. And emphasis again that the height is the perpendicular distance from the tip to the base. So straightforward again, area rule, base times height, and this line tells you divide by 2. So you have a 4 there and a 3 there. If you put the values there in the formula, area is 4 times 3 and you divide by 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, divide by 2 gives you 6 square centimeters. And that's your first example. Now, I've taken up this other example, next example again, and it shows you where the height is now. So this is the height from the top, we call the tip, to the base, and remember it makes an angle of 90 degrees. We don't want a sliding line. And so most people get confused with the height. So that's the height here, which is 4 in this case, and the base is 8. So again, applying the rule, area is base times height, put the numbers into the formula, and area is 8 times 2 divided by 2, which is 16 square centimeters now. And that's example 2. Now, example 3 is going to be quite interesting because this is the type of a triangle where you see that one point is hanging out. And that's very important now. And so please make sure they get the right. For this purpose now, what we have done is, as you can see, we have extended the base slightly, all right, so that you get this right angle triangle. So that's the height now. But you've got to be careful that when you use the rule here, make sure you take this base here, the actual base of the triangle, not the extended base. We've just extended this for one purpose so that you get the height right. But remember to use the base as shown here. So let's have a look, and this is the rule again, is shown there. And at the bottom here, we've also said the actual base of the triangle is 4 centimeters and not the extended length. And let's put the numbers in there, and then it's straightforward. Remember this 4 here, and 4 is the base, and times the height, which is the 5, and then divide by 2 gives the 10 square centimeters. And this is one of the most important questions here now when you're doing areas. So quite a lot of children take the extended base, but you don't. Now, so those are the 2 examples.